So 1 whole, this is how we write the 1,
Whole?
right?
Okay.
Like not whole as in hole in the ground, as in whole complete, WHOLE, right? So if we put them all together, they're 1. But we cut them up into 10 pieces, right?
There's this.
So they're going to be in the 10th column, so it's going to be in blue. And this is the decimal point, right?
Yeah.
And if we put the decimal point, so it's 0.1. So this one is actually 0.1. This is 1/10. And this is how we write it. So this is 1. When we cut it up and we take one of them, it's 1 part. So we call it 1/10. Why do we call it 1/10? Because it went into the decimal point place value. These are place values, right? So we had the 1, the 10s, the 100s, the thousands this way, okay? But when we go this way, it's part of. So this is 1 part of the 1. Now here's another thing that we're going to do. Where's my scissors? So this is 1. And we cut it up. And when we cut it up, 1 part of it is 1/10. Because there are 10 pieces, so 1, and that's a fraction into 10 pieces. So this is 1/10, just like fractions, but it's a decimal system. And we put the decimal point, and this is how we write it. And it's going to be the 10ths column because we're saying 1/10, right? So if we want 2 of them, we're going to write it. If we have 2 of them, you're going to do this.
2/10.
2/10.
2/10.
Because each one of them is 1/10. And then these are 2/10. And so this is going to be what?
3/10.
3/10. And how many of these are going to come here?
3.
Etc., etc. You're just going to keep going, and you can practice this on your own.